I'm going to talk about the story's host and the host background together. The host is the person or anchor, the news person who's telling the story. Having a host is optional. Not all journalistic projects have to have a host. And in our case, Joe Smith is going to be our anchor person, and he's going to be objective towards this topic. In other words, he's not going to take a side, but he will be a little bit excited because Joe's good at sounding interested in what he's doing, and that helps the audience. On our show, it's standard for Joe to wear a button-down shirt, so I put that as his costume that he'll be wearing. And the background is what's going to be behind Joe while he's talking. Well, in this particular story, we're going to need two backgrounds. One is going to be the standard set. That's going to be where we tell all of our stories from in our studio, but we're also going to do an interview in the metalworking classroom. Leticia's area of expertise is metalworking, and so we're going to interview her in that classroom with all those cool looking machines behind her. The set itself, light-wise, is going to be professionally lit, like it always is, but in order to get that metal shop to look good, we're going to need to bring in a light kit with us so we can really set that up and make it look good. The mood, we want this to be exciting. She's just won a major award, and so the tone or mood of our story should be exciting.